Hi guys and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can fix RIA Money Transfer not working, so let's dive right in. If your RIA Money Transfer app isn't working properly, crashing, freezing, or not letting you send money, don't worry. This issue usually happens due to outdated app versions, corrupted cache, or minor glitches in your phone system. Luckily, there are a few simple steps you can take to fix it. First, open up the Play Store or App Store and search for the RIA Money app. Make sure it's fully updated. Sometimes just updating the app can solve everything. Next, head over to your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps, then go to Manage Apps. This may vary slightly depending on your device. You'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now, look for the RIA Money app. You can scroll down or simply search for it. Once you find it, tap on it and go to the Storage section. Here, you'll see two options: Clear Cache and Clear All Data. I recommend doing both. Clearing the cache removes temporary bugs, and clearing data resets the app completely. Just a heads up, you may need to log in again after this. After doing all this, reopen the RIA Money app, and it should be working smoothly again. These steps usually fix any transfer issues or loading problems instantly. That's it, you are done.